Hello, I'm going to show you how to make an air horn out of just the things around you could buy at Home Depot. You will need a taken apart bicycle horn. Just take the piece off that's on the top that you use to squeeze. A small elbow fitting in your plumbing aisle. 3/4 faucet, water faucet that you can find outside. This thing. And a balloon, jumbo. You're going to first, as you know, take apart the piece on the bicycle horn. Depending on that size, you might have to make adjustments to the size fittings. But it should fit right over with some tape on it. You want to tape that together. Next, you want to take a piece like this and fit it right over. Make sure it's secure so no air can leak through. Next, tie on your outside faucet right to it. Next, you take the balloon and you stretch it ever so nicely right around the edge here. Make it ever so snug. You will use this, the valve, to control how much air you put into it and how to close it. But first what you do is make that secure, and then you just take this part right off and then blow inside. And then have it close like that. Put it on. You now have your own air horn.